Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a Rollator walker. I am really loving this one. So let's talk about the general features and then I'm going to show you some close-ups, and stay tuned to the end if you want to see a demonstration on how to assemble. So the first thing that I love is that this is very light for a Rollator walker, but yet it's very, very sturdy. You have a really nice backrest that is sturdy, but yet flexible, which will be nice for when you're trying to put this into the car. You have a lot of bag space here underneath, and this is very easy to take off so that you can carry things into the house if you want. It also locks right here, making it so much easier to get in and out of the trunk without pinching your fingers. The frame is very sturdy. As I said, it's metal. Love the color. The wheels are awesome. They're big enough without being too big, and they roll very easily. You can see just with one hand, I am rolling this all over. This is adjustable. So you're going to unscrew this, and you are going to take the screw out, and then this will move up and down. Now, I will admit this does seem a little inconvenient, but this is great. Because this is making it extra sturdy and extra safe. So take out both of the screws and the bolts, and then you are going to move this down and find a really good height for yourself. So this is kind of good for me. So then I'm going to put my bolts and my screws back in, and you'll really only have to do this once and then you're finished. So you can see I am on a number here. This is number 3. So I want to make sure on the other side I am on a number 3 as well. And then I'm going to put my bolt back in. To open, you are going to unlock, pull this apart, and then push down on both sides of the seat. It locks, and then I'll show you a close-up later. There's a strap right under here, so when you pull up here, this is going to unlock it and it can fold. Let's take a look at this on the concrete and then in the grass. Really smooth, really stable. I need a break. I turn around and sit down. The backrest on this is so nice. I can lean back. It's very supportive. Let's do the grass test. And now I'm going to be going over the curb. I kind of got stuck there a little bit. There is a little step on the back. I can push it, pop a wheelie, and then get on the curb. So that little pop a wheelie footrest is so functional and so great. And then again, I'm exhausted, I can sit down. I can even scooch with my feet on this if I need to, forwards and backwards, or have someone push me if it really comes to that. This walker is great. I love the handlebars. They're so comfortable, and you have 3 different braking functions. So this is completely stopped. The chair won't go anywhere. This is for when you are standing up or sitting down. You squeeze the handles and the chair does not move. You have an intermediate braking function, which is just a little tiny half pull, and that makes the brakes go just a little tiny bit and engage. And let me see if you can see it back here. You can see it just engages the brakes right back here. And then that way you can slow down a little tiny bit. If you're going down a hill, you have a place for your cane to put it here, and then a base so that it doesn't flop around. And then who doesn't always need a water? You have a water bottle holder here. You can take those off if you don't want them. And then when you're finished, pull up lock it, and then easily carry this and put this into your trunk. I have reviewed a lot of walkers. Let me tell you why I'm loving this one. It is very sturdy, very robust. I love the braking system. I love the backrest. It's sturdy, but yet foldable so that you can get this into your car. This locking function to keep the rollator together is incredible. Love that the bag detaches so easily. I also love the wheels. They are really easy to move, work on all surfaces, and that little kick thing in the back so that you can get up on the curb is amazing. Really loving this one. So now let's take some close-up looks, and don't forget, stay to the end if you want to see how to put it together. Okay, so let's start with those ergonomic armrests. You can adjust from 34 to 40 inches. You have 7 different height levels, so that accommodates users from 4'7" to 6'6". You have an 18-inch extra wide seat. You have that 3 modes for your braking. And then you have the handles that are really easy to grip. And I love all of the reflectors for when you're out at night. Super durable tires. They are 8-inch and they're super smooth, super quiet indoor and out. And you even saw on the grass. It only weighs 20 pounds. So it's really easy to carry. And the metal tubes provide extra strength and durability, and this holds up to 300 pounds. You have that one hand folding system, and it folds up so quickly, like in a second. So this makes it perfect for like if you need to put this into your trunk or if you're traveling, and it avoids you pinching your fingers, and it's really perfect for storage at home or in restaurants as well. I do find that storing a regular roller walker in a restaurant is very, very difficult, and this would be a breeze. This is carbon steel with a reinforced triangular structure, and it is just going to give you confidence no matter where you are. And I'm telling you, this is so incredible. You're gonna love it. Okay, I have half of the walker together, and we're going to put the other side together as well. So the first thing that you are going to do is unscrew the reflector, take out the screw, and then push this in. The screw goes in the back, and then you screw on the reflector. Next, we are going to take the back wheel, and again, you are going to unscrew the reflector, and then you are going to push the wheel on. There is a little silver button that you push. That gets it on. The silver button needs to come out of the second hole. That takes a little muscle. You might need someone to help you. Again, you're going to put the screw in the back and then the reflector on the outside. There is a little knob on the front wheel. We're going to loosen and then push the wheel on and then tighten the knob. You have 2 screws on each side, and it comes with a little screwdriver. We're going to screw the backrest on. I'm going to pop this on the frame and then screw it in. The bag has 2 hooks. There are hooks on the chair. We're going to hook this on and just clip on the bag on both sides. I love this comes off. And then we're going to attach the water bottle holder and the cane holder. Again, there are little places for the cup holder, the cane holder, and the cane base. You just pop all of those on, and there you have it. Loving it. I think you will too. Links are below.